Hi, my name is Albert with Mainland Cycle Center, and today I want to show you a 2012 Kawasaki Teryx4 EPS model, electronic power steering. This bike has some accessories on it, and that's part of what I want to show you is some of the options that were put on this one. This one has, we changed the wheels on it, so it's got a set of Douglas wheels. Really look nice. Now we're using the stock tires still. It comes with Maxi's Bighorn 26-inch tall tires, so I didn't see a lot of reason to change the tires, but it came with kind of a plain set of wheels, so to upgrade the wheels on this unit really dresses it up, I think, quite a bit. Really a good looking wheel there. And then we added a lift kit. We did a high lifter lift kit on it. That's basically these brackets here on the bottom of the shocks, and then in the back also. There's your bracket there. And then the high lifter includes this little badge that we installed there. And then we did a ProBox top for it. This is a top. It's real heavy duty. It's sprayed with a Line-X bed coating type of material. It has 4 speakers in it on each corner, 2 dome lights, and then it has a Sony automotive stereo in it. It's got a little weatherproof cover. You just open it there. And then you got your stereo there. And I don't know how to turn it on there, maybe. Anyway. Anyway, got great sound, got an auxiliary input, and I think that this one, yeah, this has this little drawer that pulls out, so you can plug your iPod or MP3 player in, and there. And so there's no CD player, just a radio with the iPod area or the MP3 player deal. So that's pretty cool. But of course, the Teryx4s are really great machines. 750cc V-twin, fuel injected. These things really, Kawasaki really did a good job with these. Lots of upgrades, a very stiff chassis, great suspension. The power steering is fantastic, the electronic power steering. Great seating for 4, has the stadium seating where those rear seats are set in and elevated from the front seat, so it really gives you a nice view from the back seat. So that's a really nice feature. You can install a winch on the front. But lots of features. I've done some other Teryx4 videos, so I won't get into a lot of the technical stuff on this one, but just want to mostly show you the accessories, the ProBox top, the wheels and lift kit on this Teryx4. Alright. We're Mainland Cycle Center. We're located about 30 minutes south of downtown Houston, just off of I-45 in LaMarque, Texas. Our website is mainlandcyclecenter.com. Our phone number is 409-948-4969. Give us a call, shoot us an email, come by and see us. We'd love to help any way we can. Hey, thanks for watching.